Let's start with the organizational structure. In the old world, we had the hierarchy. In the new world, we've got this thing called the network. In the old world, if the command came down to go build 100 widgets, the answer would be, "Sir, yes, sir." Well, if you tried that in a DAO today, your answer would be somewhat different. Now, let's talk about the complexity challenge matrix. You have complex, complicated, and simple problems. For a simple problem, for example, build a team widget, a single team can do that. For a complicated project, you might need more help. For example, build a widget factory. You need help from different functions. But if you want to do a really complex problem like solve climate change, that's going to take many different organizations working together. Remember, one of the problems with the hierarchical organization, if you have one person in one function and they need to talk to another person in another function, you have to follow the hierarchy. That takes extra time. Now, what happens if we have many different organizations working together? That hierarchy becomes in the way, and if this person needs to connect to this person who needs to connect to this person, how's that even going to work? Recall that in the network, we're all connected, nodes, one-to-one relationship. Let's not pretend there's no problems. Who goes first? Who provides the ideas? Who provides the feedback? And how do you make any decisions? This is called governance, and in the DAO, you go first. You provide the ideas, you provide the feedback, and you're involved in the decision because governance is you. Most of us today are building widget factories, but if we want to get to those really complex problems like solving climate change, we got to get good at this stuff. So what do you do now to get off DAO Zero? This is what you should do this week. Go read one governance proposal, post a comment or question, cast your vote, and advocate for good governance. But it's going to take all of us to get good at this stuff.